a tutorial on how to renew your real estate license in New York State, brought to you by your Buffalo Niagara Association of Realtors. In 24 months' time, you must accumulate enough continuing education credits to be eligible for license renewal. CE can be earned through an approved real estate school, an approved real estate website, or at your local BNAR. From your MLS dashboard, go to BNAR Member Services. Look for your education history and review the classes that you've taken in the last 2 years. Have you earned enough credits either through BNAR, online, or at a real estate school? If so, you're ready to renew your license. Go back to your MLS dashboard and choose E-Access New York. Once you go there, you'll be on the DOS website and you're going to use your user ID and password to log in. Once you're there, you want to hit List of Licenses under Applications and Licenses. The most recent license that you hold is the one that you're going to choose to renew. Before you hit Renew License, make sure you're within 90 days of the expiration date. You can also renew your license up to 2 years after its expiration. Choose Next Step and now review your application. You want to make sure that your name, office name, and street address are still the same. Your license number and your office license number should also be correct. You'll now have to answer questions as to whether or not you've been convicted of a crime or if you have any criminal charges currently pending against you. You're also going to have to affirm that you have completed the necessary amount of continuing education required for license renewal. Finally, you'll have to affirm whether or not you are obligated to pay any child support. When you have answered all 3 questions truthfully, you will be able to go and hit Next Step. You're going to review the summary of all of your questions. Again, double check your office information. Make sure that you've answered all of the questions truthfully and to the best of your knowledge. And on the bottom, you're going to affirm your application by clicking the box where it says I agree and hit Next Step. Here comes the fun part, the payment. You can renew your license using a Visa or MasterCard. Depending upon the licensure that you hold, your payment may differ from what you see on the screen. Once your payment is made, make sure you print your receipt. You'll want to have a copy for yourself as well as a copy for your broker. You're all set. You've done your CE, you've paid for your license, and you're good for another 2 years. Congratulations.